Being born as a markhor, a wild goat species found primarily in the mountainous regions of Central Asia, presents several challenges that make life tough for them. Let's explore the hardships of a markhor's existence in detail. 1. Habitat and geographic challenges. Markhors live in rugged, steep, and often remote mountain areas like the Himalayas and the Hindu Kush. These terrains, while stunningly beautiful, are not easy to navigate. The steep cliffs and high altitudes are physically demanding environments to live in, even for an animal like the markhor, which is well adapted to these areas. 1. Hard to find food. The mountainous terrain doesn't offer abundant vegetation year-round. 1. While they are herbivores, they rely on sparse grasses, shrubs, and herbs that are seasonally available, making their search for food challenging. 2. Extreme weather conditions. The high-altitude habitats can experience extreme temperatures, snow, and even fierce winds, making survival tough. 2. The cold winters and unpredictable weather patterns can affect the availability of food and create dangerous living conditions for the markhor. 2. Human-driven threats. Human activity poses some of the most significant threats to markhor populations. 1. Poaching. Markhor are often hunted for their impressive spiral horns, which are prized as trophies. 1. Additionally, their meat and skin are valuable in certain markets. 1. Despite some legal protections, poaching remains a major issue in their survival. 2. Habitat destruction. As human populations grow, their encroachment into the markhor's natural habitat increases. 2. Logging, infrastructure development, and agriculture have all led to habitat fragmentation, forcing markhors into smaller, more isolated pockets of land. 2. This leaves them vulnerable to inbreeding and reduced genetic diversity, which impacts their long-term survival. 3. Social and behavioral challenges. Markhors are known for their impressive horns, which can grow quite large and spiral. However, these horns come with their own set of social challenges. 1. Mating competition. Males use their large horns to establish dominance in mating rituals, and these battles can be quite brutal. 1. During the breeding season, males often engage in intense combat to secure mates, which can lead to injuries or even death. 2. Vulnerability due to isolation. The fragmented nature of their habitats means that markhor populations are often isolated from each other. 2. This isolation can make finding a mate more difficult and further contributes to genetic bottlenecks, lowering overall health in the species. 4. Predation. Markhors are at the top of the food chain in their mountain habitat but are still preyed upon by certain predators. 1. Large carnivores. Wolves, snow leopards, and other large carnivores are capable of taking down a markhor, especially a young or injured one. 1. Though they are agile and capable climbers, they aren't entirely immune to predation. 5. Limited reproductive rate. Markhors have a relatively low reproductive rate compared to other species. 1. Slow reproduction. Females generally give birth to one kid, baby markhor, after a gestation period of about 5 months. 1. The young are vulnerable to predators and environmental challenges, meaning that not all will survive into adulthood. 1. This low reproductive rate makes it harder for the population to recover from setbacks, especially when faced with poaching or habitat loss. 6. Conservation status. While the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) classifies the markhor as an endangered species, conservation efforts are still ongoing. However, the status of markhors varies by region, and they are still at risk of extinction in some areas. 1. Protection and conservation challenges. While protected areas exist, many markhors still live outside of these areas, making it difficult to offer consistent and effective protection. 1. Anti-poaching efforts are often underfunded or poorly enforced, allowing poaching to continue in certain areas. Conclusion: being born as a markhor means starting life in a world where survival is a daily struggle. From navigating rugged, high-altitude terrains to avoiding predators and dealing with the impact of human activities, the challenges are relentless. While the markhor is an incredibly resilient and adaptable species, its existence is far from easy, and ongoing conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that this magnificent species survives into the future. So, in essence, being born a markhor is a life full of survival challenges, both natural and human-made. But thanks to its impressive skills in climbing, agility, and determination, it continues to persevere, even in the face of adversity. And if you want to watch more videos like this, then like the video and subscribe our channel.